Greetings, everyone. Through here. Welcome to the Demo Hub. Have you heard about Snowpark for Python? Have you wanted to start with Snowpark for Python but don't know where to begin and maybe looking for a lab that could help you get started with? In today's quick demo, we're going to show you a powerful resource available to help you learn about Snowpark for Python and, more importantly, get started writing and authoring Python code right within your Snowflake Python worksheet. For that, we're going to leverage a resource available within Snowflake called the Snowflake Quick Start Guides. Very powerful. Links to this will be in the description below. This has a library of quick start guides to help you get elevated within the different areas and different capabilities of Snowflake. Everything from building applications, working with real-time data. These are hands-on labs ready to use. Now, search for getting started with Snowpark in Snowflake Python worksheet. Click on that, and this would be a very detailed, hands-on, step-by-step guide. If you are just coming into Snowpark and you want to have that hand-holding, this is a powerful resource to get started with. Now, this is the overview of what Snowpark is, the client side and the server side. But what we're interested in for this is the lab, a lab which we can follow. So here you're going to go ahead and click on next, and voila, this is a powerful thing to call out. So right here, there is a setup lab environment. Now, assuming you have a Snowflake environment, you're going to log into your Snowflake account, and you can click on this. This will instantiate a full-blown lab environment within your Snowflake account. If you do not have a Snowflake account, then you're going to go ahead and create a trial account on Snowflake. The 30-day trial account is free for anyone to use. Simply put in your email address and you get your account provision, and you come back to this lab. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Switch over. I am currently logged in into my Snowflake account, so this is a good place to start. Go back and click on Setup Lab Environment. It takes you into your Snowflake account. Click Setup Lab. Here you see there are scripts that would be executed within your environment to create the necessary warehouses, rows, the schemas, tables. It's also going to copy the data needed to go through this lab. Very powerful. What you have here is a ready-made lab environment for you to use and begin building your skills hands-on. Now, let's click on Start Setup. It takes a few seconds. It's going through this. It's going to instantiate and create all the objects that are needed. And in a few seconds, the lab environment has been provisioned and is ready for us to use with the worksheet available. So if you go ahead and open up that worksheet, this is a comprehensive, detailed worksheet with instructions on how to leverage Python in Snowflake, leveraging the Snowpark for Python. Again, also leveraging the Python worksheet. So this is looking at the Python worksheet. Here, you can read through what this lab does. It's going to import some functions, and it's going to do some really cool stuff. I'm just skipping through what this does. Go over to the left side. Whatever data is used by this lab has been instantiated on the left side too as well. You can always take this and customize to your own use cases. There is a campaign, the monthly revenue, and this will be leveraging Snowpark for Python to figure out how effective your campaigns are. This is a very powerful resource. If you haven't heard about Snowpark for Python, this is a good resource to start, and maybe you've heard about it and you're just curious on how to get started. This lab environment is a no-brainer way to get started. Links to this will be in the description below, and get started. As always, if you have any questions on Snowpark, Python, or anything within the modern data space, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Let me know and I'll see what I can do. Again, thanks for watching. This has been Through. I'll see you in the next demo.